So hi guys, there's a quick tutorial on how you buy Bitcoin in Kenya using Mpesa straight from your mobile phone. Okay, so Bitcoin is like the main currency in terms of crypto, and people use it as to do so many things. For example, you can use Bitcoin to buy products, buy services, trade, or you can just decide to buy and hold your Bitcoin. If you check right now, a Bitcoin is trading at $36,000, which is crazy amounts of money. If you had to convert this to Kenya shillings, it's almost, I think it's about 5 million Kenya shillings there. Okay, so now how do you buy this Bitcoin in Kenya using your M-Pesa and your phone? The very first thing that you need, of course, is to have a valid Binance account. When I say a valid Binance account, I mean that your account should be verified. Okay, you can see here I have around $229 in this account, so and my account is verified. If you can just come and check my profile, you can see that I am a verified user. Now, Binance keeps changing their UI every now and then. When I say UI, I mean their interface, user interface, and at times you realize that the feature that you want is not available where you left it. So it's very, very important that you keep yourself updated with all Binance features so that you don't get lost. However, it's important for you to know that Binance is not the only place that you can buy Bitcoin. We have so many exchanges, but Binance is the main exchange because it's the biggest crypto exchange that we have in the world. Okay, now in order for you to buy Bitcoin, just come to the top left section. Okay, go to the top left section, then go to P2P. So P2P is basically a marketplace that helps people to buy and sell their crypto. So you can decide to either buy these coins that are on P2P, USDT, of course, a stablecoin, BTC, FUSD, BNB, ETH, SOL, or BUSD. In this case, we want to buy Bitcoin. So I'll just click here and say buy BTC. So once I click on buy BTC, down here I'll see the list of people who are ready to sell for me a BTC. We have this one is Muzika. He can sell to me from 4,000 to 4,100. We have this one is Binance Assets. We have Spin F, which is a verified merchant. Then we have Tigers. Okay, so let's try and buy worth 1,000 from Tigers and see how we are gonna perform this transaction. However, it's very, very important that you get to check their completion rate. Don't just buy from anyone. Buy at least from someone who has some good completion rate, because that will mean that person has been here for a long time and they can do trades for you much faster. Okay, but in this case, because we are just demonstrating, let's try and buy from Tigers. Okay, so I'll just click on buy, even though they have a low completion rate, simply because I want to do this for demonstration. So we just come here, we click, we enter 1,000 because we want to buy Bitcoin worth 1,000 Kenya shillings. Then we read all the terms and conditions. Of course, it says contract this number. If offline, I'll not refund money received from that party. So that party basically means that you need to pay using the account that was registered under your name. So I'll just come here, click on buy BTC. So add prices have been updated. Please refresh. That means that because Bitcoin is fluctuating in prices, that means now the price has also changed. So I'll refresh the prices. Okay, you can see there price has changed. So I'll just click on buy BTC. There we go. Binance is holding the seller's assets. So I'll just come here, go to the chart, see what he's doing. Last seen 1 hour ago. So most likely, if we make payment, this person might not be in a position to release the assets. So let's just go ahead and make the payment, because we've already initiated the order and we should not aim at lowering our completion rate. So I'll just come here. Okay, so I'll just come here and make the payment. Click on make payment. Then the M-Pesa number is this, the phone number is that. So I'll just copy the phone number. Francis Courier is the M-Pesa. So I'll go to my M-Pesa. Okay, don't mind about my balance, I'm broke. So this is not my pin. I've just changed this so that I can show you for demonstration. Then of course I'm gonna change it back to my M-Pesa pin. Okay, so don't mind my balance. I'm so broke right now. So I'll just come here, click on send money. Then of course I'll paste the number. I click on continue. I'm sending him 1,000. So I'm just fully signing this one, because yeah, I almost entered my real pin. So I'll just send them that money. Once I'm done, I just click on done. Then I go back to my Binance. Then I click on transferred, notify the seller. So once you've done that, ensure that you come and click on transferred so that the other person can be notified that you've made the payment and you want them to release these bitcoins in your wallet. Okay, so I'll just come here and chat him and tell him maybe that payment made, please release. Okay, please release. So we'll stay here until they release their assets. Then once they release their assets, then we should be able to get this bitcoin in our wallet. Okay, that's basically how you buy bitcoins. Very, very simple. It's only that he's not online. It's currently 1:14 a.m. as I'm shooting this video, and I believe they are asleep because of the time that I am making that particular payment. So that's basically how you buy Bitcoin. Once they release these Bitcoins, then they are gonna reflect in your Binance, and you're gonna have your Bitcoin purchase having been done. Something else, if they don't release, you can always come here and click on appeal. Then you can appeal that transaction, and then the person who is refusing to release your assets will be forced to release, because Binance support will come in and they'll ensure that you are able to get your assets. So basically, you can always check all the pending orders that you have. Down here you have some pending orders. Have an order that is unpaid, an order that is paid, which is the one that I've just done, and so many other elements. You can check them down here. Okay, so we have a comprehensive curriculum basically that covers everything about crypto. This is just the very basic thing, how to buy Bitcoin or how to buy USDT. But if you want to learn all things crypto, from history of money, introduction, all the way to basically what is entailing crypto, just reach out on Instagram at Apex Crypto Academy. Alternatively, you can reach us out. Our WhatsApp number is right on the description. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you've learned a thing or two. Bye bye, and see you in the next one.